Welcome to Chair Yoga for the upper body. In this sequence are gentle joint mobilizations for the wrists, elbows, and shoulders, followed by a graceful flow that produces positive effects that support joint health. This sequence can be practiced from a seated or standing position. Benefits you will enjoy from regular practice are support for joint conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, a decrease in joint stiffness and arthritic pain in the upper body, an increase in range of motion and flexibility. Chair yoga for the upper body. Come forward in the chair and find a comfortable seated position. Root the feet into the floor and then lengthen through the spine. First, wrist rotation. Inhale the arms forward and up. Turn the palms up. Fold the thumbs in and wrap the fingers around the thumbs. Keep the breath moving. Slowly rotate the wrists in one direction. Notice how this feels. Do both wrists rotate with equal ease? Change directions. How does this direction feel? Do you hear any sounds coming from the wrists? Just notice. Next, shoulder rotation. Slowly bring the right shoulder forward, up, back, and down. Continue with this movement and keep the breath flowing. Imagine wearing a jacket, slowly shrugging the sleeve off. Can you feel the shoulder blade moving over the back ribs as you enjoy this gentle rotation? Pause. How does the right side feel compared to the left? What do you notice? Now the left shoulder. Continue with the rotation, forward, up, back, and down. Breath flowing, slowly moving through the range of motion to maintain shoulder function and health. Notice how this shoulder feels as you move. Freely, or are there glitches in the movement? Now pause, arms resting at the sides. Prepare for tea-light flow. Inhale the arms out and up, turning the palms toward the sky. Imagine tea-light candles in the palms. Press the elbows wide and on an exhale, draw them down and into the sides. Forearms parallel to the floor. Pivot, and we extend the light forward. Draw the elbows back beyond the sides. Wing the elbows out. Extend the light to the sides, feeling the deep rotation in the shoulders. Draw the light back in. Elbows wing back. Forearms pivot out, and up the light goes, returning to the starting place. Maintain awareness anchored to breath and movement. Exhale the light down. Inhale, offer it forward. Exhale, draw it back. Keep the breath moving, careful not to spill the light as we extend it out to the sides. Draw it back in. Elbows wing back, and we slowly make our way back to the starting place. As we mindfully move last time through, remember tea-light flow promotes healthy range of motion for wrists, elbows, and shoulders. Notice how this is for you. Do what you can. Work from a place of ease. Do not force any movement a body is not ready to receive. This time, as the arms come overhead, we extinguish the light. Palms meet in prayer position. Exhale, hands to heart center. Three times, inhale, arms out and up, palms meet in prayer. Exhale, hands to heart. 2 more times we go. Inhale up, exhale to heart, inhale up, exhale to heart. Benefits you will enjoy from regular practice are support for joint conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, a decrease in joint stiffness and arthritic pain in the upper body, an increase in range of motion and flexibility. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Namaste.